Hello class, Professor Anderson here, just out for a walk in the neighborhood with my dog. Hi, Casey. Hey, I wanted to tell you about a brand new website we're working on. You guys have been great Fandersons over the years, really built up my YouTube channel. I've got over 60,000 subscribers and over 4.5 million views, and I just want to thank you for your patronage. And I want to invite you to be a super user on my new site and give us a hand making it an incredible site. The web address is universityphysics.education, and it's got interactive videos, it has quizzes, it's got lots of premium content. It's really a complete, organized physics course that I think you're going to be impressed with. Nowadays, more students than ever are learning online, and you can really make an impact by helping me make this site the best it can be. Together, we can help define the future of physics education. So look at the description below for how you can sign on and join us as one of my super users and give us a hand making it really awesome. Cheers.